So I'm getting ready to install the crankshaft. Have the bearings, the lower halves of the bearing shells are in place. They have a little notch and index mark there where they've slot in, so you can, there's no confusion about how they go in. And there are also numbers on the bottom end of the thing. This one has a case over now I have to put the crankshaft in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of oil there. Really more for, engines have oil in them, that's why. Really, I don't think it's necessary because, they'll get oily soon enough once the, but it's just going to put oil there. Seems like, bearing surface ought to have oil. I'm going to bring the crankshaft and plop it in, put in the bearing caps with the other half of the shell, and then off we go.